This is an Alexandria II, the Alexandria and the Alexandria II. Very similar. This one has Birch Oyster cabinets. They're actually painted cabinets, and it's a light gray if you can't tell in the video. We have a breakfast nook there with lots of windows, just so you kind of get a scope. It's a patio door and 2 extra windows here. This is house 5961. If you have questions, you can ask your project manager for any information, such as what this laminate color may be. This house has chosen lots of doors versus drawers on the cabinets. This is a place for a very thin little microwave. Cabinets instead of the range hood. Over here you have your pantry. It is a walk-in pantry. Here we have doors. I'm going to go back through the 2 bedrooms. Here's the half bath here, right off of the kitchen. It's going to have a standard tub and shower in it with shower curtain there. And we'll go off into one of these 4 bedrooms. It's probably a full-size bed there, just to give you the scope of how much room you might have. Your window and your closets. So a lot of bedrooms in 1860 square foot. Here's the laundry. This is where you would enter the house. And go on to another bedroom here. The closet doors are going to be over this way. This here is going to be bedroom number 4, which is easily converted into an office. This is a small bedroom. It has a closet, so it is a bedroom, but this one is pretty small. You could turn this into a storage space, an office, extra bedroom, craft room. This is a half wall, drywalled in. We'll go on to the master closet there for storage. The 3 windows above the bed. And this customer had a very interesting comment that her husband's favorite place on earth besides Disney World was the shower, of course, because it's a walk-in shower and they're amazing. So you can see that the onyx goes all the way up to the ceiling. It's a great space. I'm going to try to walk in this so you can kind of get an idea of the space that one of these has. That you have to add these extra cubbies for soap, shampoo, etc. And your onyx is going to go all the way up. I would advise getting 2 of these because look how much space you're going to need for this stuff. And then you've got this whole bottom here. No need for a shower curtain.